iPhone XR that was mailed in. As you can see, it's got no rear camera. The front camera kind of works when it's not glitching out, but the back camera has a major issue. So let's see what's the problem. So according to ZXW, on the connector, so we should have 1 volt coming through on this line. We do have 3.8 volt at 1.8 on this pin. However, we don't have 3.3 on here, nor do we have 2.8 on here. So one thing, so say this one, where does it get powered from? Let me see. Oh, not that one, bad example. Let's go on that one we do have. So this one that we don't have voltage on, as you can see, gets powered from this. And when we have a look where this is supposed to be getting spoken to from, on the underside it's from this chip, U3700. And equally, when we look at this PP3V3, when we want to see where that's getting its power from, was it that one? No, it wasn't that one. Was it this one? PP2.8. Again, I should be getting its power from this chip. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap this chip and see what happens. And for the moment of truth, with that chip replaced, we've now got power going to the rear camera. Job's a good one.